I think Santa brought that to you.
What's the present?
That's a big present, Kara. That's from Santa. You can open it. Kara, you can open it. That's a big present from Santa.
What did Santa leave? Oh my goodness.
You should open it and find out what's inside.
You gonna brush your hair first?
Oh, okay, you're gonna brush your hair with the pony brush? Yeah. Okay. Kara, you gonna open your present from Santa?
What is this?
Let's open it. Find out what's in there.
You wanna open it?
What's in the present?
You wanna look? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Keep pulling. Did you ask Santa for something?
That's a helicopter.
Oh no, the helicopter crashed.
Kara, Santa brought you a train table.
Oh my goodness.
It has an airplane and a helicopter too. Choo choo, chugga chugga. Here comes the train. Whee! It's two rolling. Oh, you found a puzzle to put together.
Hi, Bindi. Don't worry, Bindi. Santa brought you something too.
Let's say thank you, Santa.
Kara, can you say thank you? Or
Say-
are you way too deep in the train table?
Thanks, Santa, for the train table.
No.
Kara, I see a waterfall. Kara, there's a waterfall. See?